Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit an invoice in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll open the invoice you want to change, make clear and accurate edits, and then review and send it out. I'll also share helpful context so you know what you're adjusting and why it matters. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. From the main dashboard, move your mouse to the left navigation. Depending on your layout, you may see sections like Expenses or Sales. Hover your mouse to expand the menu and look for the Invoices area. Go ahead and click Invoices to open your list. You'll now see your invoice list with statuses, customers, amounts, and due dates. Find the invoice you want to update. When you've located it, move to the right side of that row and select View Files, Edit. This opens the invoice in edit mode so you can safely make changes. Inside the invoice, review the header details first. Check the customer, the invoice date, and the due date, since these affect statements, aging, and when reminders may go out. Confirm the terms if they appear and ensure the invoice number fits your numbering sequence. Next, look at the line items. For each product or service, verify the description is clear, the quantity is accurate, and the rate is correct. If tax applies, make sure the appropriate tax setting is selected so totals calculate properly. As you adjust quantities or rates, watch the subtotal, tax, and total update automatically. If you're correcting a small typo, update the description or memo so the customer can easily understand the change. You can also review the category or account on each line if it's visible, helping keep your financial reports accurate. Take a moment to scan the bottom of the form for any message to the customer or internal notes and confirm they still make sense after your edits. Accuracy here reduces follow-up questions and speeds up payment. Once you're satisfied with your edits, give the entire invoice a final review. When everything looks correct, select Review and Send. This opens a preview with the email details and the invoice attachment. Read through the message to ensure it matches the updates you just made and confirm the total, dates, and any tax shown on the preview. When you're ready, click Send. QuickBooks will deliver the updated invoice and record that action, so your audit trail remains intact. That's it. Your invoice has been edited and sent successfully. If you ever need to adjust it again, just return to the invoices list, open the same invoice with View, Edit, and follow the same review process to keep your records clean and your customers informed.